everyone, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I have a red and silver makeup tutorial and I am so excited for you all to watch this video. So let's just go ahead and get right on into the tutorial. Alrighty, using the Pigment Palace Modern Royalty palette, I am going to take the shade Cocoa and I am just going to apply that to my crease using this teeny tiny little crease brush. Now taking my eyeshadow blending brush, I'm just going to blend that shade out. Using the Glam Metal palette from Crayon, I am just going to take the shade Punk and I'm just going to apply that to the inner half of my lid using this little flat shader brush. Now I'm going back into my palette from the Pigment Palace Modern Royalty palette, and I am just going to be applying the shade Cocoa again a little bit more into my crease to kind of help that little shade right there blend a little bit better, and I'm also going to be applying it to the outer half of my lid. Alright, last but certainly not least, I'm going to take the shade Diamond from the Modern Royalty palette on this little flat brush and apply that a little bit over that silver color just to kind of help brighten it just a little bit more. Alright, now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara and we will be done with the eyes. Just to add a little bit of warmth back into my skin, especially since it is winter and I'm extremely pale, I'm going to be using this bronzer and highlighter duo from Beauty Big Bangs, and I'm just going to be using the bronzer side to warm up my face with, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. Angled Blush Brush. Next, I'm going to be applying the Tarte blush in the shade Partay to the apples of my cheeks, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this Perfusion blush brush. Last but certainly not least for the face is highlighter, and for highlighter, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. highlighting palette, and I'm just going to be using the white highlighter right there, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. highlighting brush. Alright, last but certainly not least is lips, and then we are done. So for lips, I'm just going to be using this Ulta Beauty little lip crayon in the shade Engagement. And I think this is just a perfect nude lip to go with these red and silver eyes. Everyone, so that is my red and silver makeup tutorial. I really hope you all did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one really soon. Bye guys!